Hi friends, I am your friend Advocate Namish Nigotia and you are watching my YouTube channel Legal Advice for Everyone. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss 20 most important facts about the Constitution of India. How the Constitution of India came into force, when it came into force, who was the father of the Constitution of India. Before commencing this video, before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, do share and like my videos. Friends, before starting 20 most important facts, we would like to know some facts about the Constitution of India. This video is important for all law students, members of legal fraternity, young lawyers and all the citizens of India. Friends, do you know that the Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of this planet? Longest, largest written constitution of this planet. Do you know who is the father of the Constitution of India? Dr.B.R. Ambedkar, the most respectable person. Do you know when the Constitution of India effective? It is effective from 26th of January 1950. Do you know where is the original text of the Constitution of India is preserved? It is preserved in the helium filed case in the Parliament House of India. Do you know that Indian Parliament cannot override the Constitution of India? Now, I would like to discuss 20 most important facts about the Constitution of India one by one, which everyone should know. Number 1. Who was the first chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India? Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Number 2. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has studied how many constitution of different countries before finalizing our Constitution of India. He has studied constitution of 60 different countries before finalizing the draft. Do you know, before the commencement of the Constitution of India, which act was prevailing, or the Constitution of India has replaced which act? The Constitution of India has replaced the Government of India Act 1935. The Government of India Act 1935. How many days it took in the drafting procedure of the Constitution of India? It took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. You must know that how many rupees has been expenditure at that time. At that time, in those period, 6 crore and 30 lakhs rupees. 6 crore 30 lakhs rupees was the expenditure at that time. How many articles are written in the Constitution of India when it came into force? Originally, 395 articles has been written in the Constitution of India, and it has been divided in the 22 parts, 8 schedule, and total number of words written was 1,45,000 words while drafting the original Constitution. When the Constitution of India has been signed, it has been signed on 24th of January 1950. Please do remember 24th of January 1950. When the Constitution of India came into force, everyone knows that on 26th of January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. Now, another important is, what are the fundamental rights in India that has been covered in the Constitution of India? That is, right to equality, right against exploitation, right to freedom, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies, and right to freedom of religion. Now, other important aspect, that which court can use to protect the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India. This is very important aspect every citizen should know. So Honorable Supreme Court of India under Article 32 used to protect the fundamental rights of the guaranteed by the Constitution of India. An interesting fact is that Article 32 is itself a fundamental right, and all other high courts, all honorable high courts used to protect the fundamental rights under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Now the question is, and the another important aspect is, what type of writs which can protect the fundamental rights? As you all know that there are 5 writs, and you should know the name of those 5 writs. They are: number 1, habeas corpus; mandamus; prohibition; certiorari; and quo warranty. And I would like to tell you that I have already made separate videos on all these 5 writs, so you can watch those videos also. Now the question arises, how many amendments does the Constitution of India have so far? So the answer is, so far 105 amendments has been done in the Constitution of India. 105 amendments. Now other important fact which you should know is, who has the power to declare national emergency? The answer is, the President of India is having the power to declare the national emergency. Another important is, who is known as the father of Constitution of India? The title is given to Dr.B.R. Ambedkar, who has worked so hard to so that today the Constitution of India has came in force, and it is effective, and our country is developing just due to the great Constitution of India. Now the question is, what is 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India is called, or also known? You know that 42nd Amendment, when came into force, it was very effective, and it changes almost all I mean, it covers all the points, and it changes a lot in the Constitution of India. So it is also known as the mini constitution. Which article defines the right to equality? Article 14 to 18 is define the right to equality. Now the question is that Indian Constitution is related to part 3 of the Constitution is related to which right? That is important, and this question is generally asked in UPSC examinations, law examinations, LLB examinations, that which part 3 is related to fundamental rights. The answer is fundamental rights. Now the other is, which article defines the right to religious freedom? As you know that we have a right to religious freedom. Anyone can adopt or follow any religion, and the Constitution of India protect this right. So this is guaranteed by Article 25 to 28. Now other important aspect is, which articles cannot be suspended during the national emergency? So the answer is, Article 20 and Article 21 cannot be suspended even if the President declares the national emergency. And the last or 20th aspect which everyone should know is, which article is related to equality before law? As you know that every citizen of India is having the equality before law and equal protection of law. In the eye of law, every citizen is equal. So Article 14 is related to equality before law. So I would like to end this video, and this video is also going to very important for everyone, because these aspects which we have discussed in video, everyone should know these aspects. Thank you so much, friends.